I want to talk to you about 1 hour payday loans, no credit check. So if you're looking for 1 hour payday loans real fast, here are the lenders I want you to pay attention to. Number one, I want you to really pay attention to Zippy Loan. So Zippy Loan is actually a 1 hour payday loan, no credit check. The cool thing about Zippy Loans is that you can actually qualify for a loan amount that goes from $100 all the way to $15,000. That's pretty good. I mean, for a payday loan, that's really good. I mean, you can get a maximum $15,000. You can get the cash actually within 1 to 24 hours. So that's really good, okay? And so you are able to get the money real fast, and the application process is pretty fast too. It takes about 5 minutes to actually qualify for a Zippy loan amount. The cool thing also is that this lender is actually available nationwide. So it doesn't matter if you are in New York, if you are in some places too. I mean, really, the cool thing is nationwide, 50 states are actually can qualify. The only problem here is that when you think about ZP loan, as with all payday loans, is actually the APR. I mean, they're giving you the cash real fast. Don't get me wrong, but the APR you will end up paying will be like it can be all the way to 1,000% because you are basically repaying the loan within 2 weeks or 2 months or maximum 6 months. So you don't have a lot of like the APR can be really high. But hey, listen, if you need money real fast, ZP loan could be a great 1 hour payday loan, no credit check. You just need to have a bank account, okay? A bank account because that's when they are going to wire the funds to you as soon as you're approved. You are gonna get the cash real fast, okay? And one thing I also want to say here is that with Zippy Loan, if you have any question, it's just better to give them a call first. If not, you can just go online and apply. Now, there are some states where the pre-approval feature doesn't work. Usually, the pre-approval feature works, but we have tried it, and there are some states where that feature doesn't work. So you're gonna have to just apply it right away. But it shouldn't matter anyway because there is no credit check, okay? You just need to make sure that you are working and you have proof of revenue. If you are looking for a 1 hour payday loan, no credit check, I want you to think about Money Mutual this year, okay? Now, Zippy Loan will give you anywhere from $100 to $15,000. Money Mutual will give you somewhere from $200 to $5,000. So this is actually a great 1 hour payday loan, no credit check, okay? And the cool thing about Money Mutual here is that Money Mutual actually does a lot of things. That actually, you can even cash checks at Money Mutual, okay? And the cool thing about Money Mutual is that they've been doing this for many years now. They have about 2 to 2.5 million customers. So that's really good because I mean having that many customers is actually a testament to their credibility and reliability. Okay, that's kind of cool. And actually, the cool thing about Money Mutual is that you get your cash real fast. They can actually give you the money, like they can give you the money. They can wire the money to your checking account, but they can give you the money in cash too. So that's kind of cool. And you only need to complete a straightforward online form, and Money Mutual then securely passes on this info to its network of online lenders. Okay, so Money Mutual is actually a direct lender, but they are also a network of lenders. That's pretty good because that actually increases your chances of being approved for a 1 hour payday loan, no credit check, real fast. Okay, and so basically what happens here is that you are getting $5,000 maximum, and you can be approved. Your money can be approved anywhere from 1 hour, within 1 hour, all the way to 24 hours. So this quick turnaround can be particularly beneficial when you are strapped for cash and you need a solution quickly, okay? And Money Mutual can really help you big time. And the cool thing is Money Mutual is actually available in all 50 states. It's kind of similar to Zippy Loans. That's kind of cool, okay? You are able to get your cash real fast. And the exact rate, the exact APR that you are going to pay will depend on the lender and will also depend on the state where you're at. If you are looking for 1 hour payday loans, no credit check, I want you to think about Dollar Loan Club. So the Dollar Loan Club is actually a great lender when it comes to 1 hour payday loan, no credit check. Okay, and the cool thing here is that you have no application fee, no origination fee, and no collateral required. So this is actually basically an unsecured loan. Okay, and the maximum payday loan that you can get through Dollar Loan Club is actually 5,000. So that's actually the maximum you can have. And the cool thing here also is that I mean, I don't know if this is a marketing ploy or whatever, but Dollar Loan Center actually wants you to really like they are actually giving you the first loan. They said the first loan is on them. So this is kind of cool, and you can actually apply on their website. You can also get funded online, and they will fund you anywhere from 1 hour all the way to 24 hours. That's pretty good. But if you want to really get a loan through Dollar Loan Club, you gotta really provide the necessary details. Okay, so your name, first name, last name, your social. You gotta be 18. You gotta be currently employed. This is a payday loan, so you gotta be employed, and you gotta earn at least $1,000 per month. So if you don't make $1,000 a month, you can't qualify for a 1 hour payday loan, no credit check at the Dollar Loan Club. Okay, you gotta have a source of revenue, and also and it doesn't matter. They're not going to check your credit. Even if you have bad credit, you can still qualify for a loan. And now the APR will be high. I mean, that's kind of similar to all payday loans anyway. Okay, so and the APR will depend on the specific loan provider that you are connected with, as well as your revenue. So kind of similar. Now the only thing is Dollar Loan Club is not as fast as Zippy Loan or even Money Mutual. Okay, but the cool thing is that once you actually get approved, you can get your money within 1 hour all the way to 24 hours. In some cases, 48 hours. So this is it's not really 1 hour all the time, because some states and some situations might call for a longer loan process. If you're looking for a 1 hour payday loan, no credit check, I want you to really consider this year Viva Loan. Now, Viva Loan is really great in terms of flexibility, but most importantly, you will love the fact that Viva Loan is kind of similar to a Zippy loan in the sense that with Viva Loan, you can be approved anywhere from $100 all the way to $15,000. Okay, so if you're looking for a larger payday loan, Viva Loan is kind of similar to Zippy Loan. It could be a great choice for you this year. Okay, and with Viva Loan, what you will love here is that you have the ability to get your payday loan within 1 hour all the way to 24 hours. You have a streamlined application, so the application is really streamlined, and so nothing really complicated. You just simply fill out their online form, and they will connect you with an approved lender from their network who will actually present you with a loan offer. So it's one of those things where you have to see what works for you and what doesn't work for you. And Viva Loan, the cool thing is that Viva Loan is actually available nationwide. So all states, all 50 states actually are they're applicable. Okay, now once you're depending on your circumstances and the loan agreement, you have the option to repay your loan over several months or make a single payment. It really depends on the loan provisions, the loan contract provisions. To be eligible for a loan with Viva Loan, you must be 18 over 18, okay, and have a regular source of income. There are some states where Viva Loan wants you to be in your current job for at least 3 months before you apply for a loan, okay? And just make sure you're comfortable with a repayment schedule and confident that you can make payments on time. Otherwise, you might actually have a problem, because failure to repay a loan on time can lead to a further financial trouble, right? That's why you want to make sure that you are able to get your cash real fast, but also to repay the cash on time. That's really important. So number 4, you have Viva Loan, fantastic lender, 100 all the way to $15,000. If you're looking for a 1 hour payday loans, no credit check, I want you to think about check into cash. So this is the fifth lender that you want to consider this year. And the cool thing about check into cash here is that you have a financial services provider that does a lot of things. I mean, check into cash is actually known for its check cashing operation. Okay. On top of that, they also do loans. So that's why they like to brand themselves as a one-stop money shop. So this direct lender has over 3 decades of experience in the field, demonstrating its commitment and expertise in helping customers navigate their financial needs. Okay, so Viva Loan, Dollar Loan Club, and the others, they are not direct lenders, but Check into Cash is. So with Check into Cash, you have a loan amount that goes from $100. I mean, sorry, $50 all the way to $1,500. So you can use the cash for a lot of proceeds from small emergencies to larger unexpected expenses. Okay, and you can be actually approved within 1 hour all the way to 24 hours. And the exact amount you can borrow will depend upon your personal circumstances and the state you reside in, because different states have diverse laws regarding payday loans. And the application process, and that's a good thing, you will love that. The application process is actually straightforward. You just go to Check into Cash, you fill out the company's online form, and then you receive an offer. So if you're happy with the terms and the rate, you can e-sign the loan agreement, and typically the money will be in your account in less than 24 hours. So that's really good because it gives you flexibility. It gives you some kind of accessibility. So overall, Check into Cash, with its years of experience, physical presence, and direct lending system, is actually a reliable and practical choice for a payday loan this year. And the cool thing is that you would just want to double check the APR and make sure you're comfortable with the APR before you sign anything. If you're looking for a 1 hour payday loans, no credit check, I want you to consider this year MaxLend. So MaxLend is a pretty great player when it comes to payday loans, no credit check, and MaxLend will give you anywhere from $100 all the way to $3,000. Okay, and the cool thing is with MaxLend, you can actually use the cash for a large spectrum of a funding needs, if you will. Okay, if you have short-term financial needs, you might want to really think about MaxLend. And MaxLend actually has a unique and appealing feature that you will love. They have a rewards system that benefits you for your reliability. So that's really important because by consistently repaying your loans on time, you can earn lower rates on future loans and become eligible to borrow larger amounts. So they will start you at 100 all the way to 3,000, sometimes 3,750. Okay, and but as you create a certain loop of reliability, you can increase the loan amount. And this feature adds an incentive to maintain good borrowing habits and can be especially beneficial for regular users of their service. So MaxLend is actually open to all credit scores, making it a viable option whether you have, let's say, an excellent credit rating or are working to improve it. So to be eligible for a loan, you got to be over 18. However, the company's services are not available in certain states because they're still working to get their banking license in those states. So right now, MaxLend is not available in Arkansas, Connecticut, Georgia, Hawaii, Illinois, Massachusetts, Minnesota, New York, North Dakota, Pennsylvania, Vermont, Virginia, Washington, state of Washington, and West Virginia. So basically, the company is not available there. But hey, listen, very soon they'll be there. That's just a matter of time anyway. But the cool thing is that if you are in a state where MaxLend is, you will love the fact that they are offering up to $3,000. If you're looking for 1 hour payday loans, no credit check, I want you to think about bad credit loans. So bad credit loans is actually the seventh lender that I want you to think about. And the cool thing about bad credit loan is that you are actually getting a maximum of $10,000. So think about it. For a payday loan, $10,000, that's really good. And so the range here goes from $500 all the way to $10,000. Okay, and the cool thing here is that you are able to get the cash real fast. You can get the cash within 1 hour all the way to 24 hours. In some cases, 48 hours. The APRs are kind of high though. The APRs for their loans range from 6% all the way to 36%, depending on various factors such as your credit score and the loan term. Okay, but usually for this loan, they do not check credit at all. Okay, and so if you have a less than perfect credit history, it doesn't matter. Okay, and applying for a loan with bad credit loans is really uncomplicated. So you just fill out a simple online form. So once you do that, by the way, bad credit loans is not a direct lender. This is a loan network. So once you fill out the form, they will match you with the best loan from their extensive network of lenders, and everything. You take it from there. Okay. So this service actually saves you time and effort, because think about it. You don't need to seek out and apply with multiple lenders individually. Okay. So that's really important. And once you are approved, you can get the cash deposited into your account within 24 hours. That's really good, especially if you're looking for a 1 hour payday loan, no credit check for emergencies, okay, and you need to secure funds quickly. Actually, having this lender by your side can be really helpful, okay? So if you are looking for a simple and easy to use platform that connects you with suitable lenders, you want to go with bad credit loans, and they have a speedy process, and also they have a variety of flexible loan amounts that make them an excellent final choice for if you are considering a payday loan, no credit check, real fast. In conclusion to this conversation, I spoke to you about 1 hour payday loans, no credit check. I gave you the lenders, and now the conclusion. So lenders include ZP Loan, Money Mutual, Dollar Loan Club, Viva Loan, Check Into Cash, Max Lend, and Bad Credit Loans. Thank you so much. God bless you. I will see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.